It is 5 by 5 Rubik's cube. Solve it. Now the back layer, yes. And the 2 steps. And turn. Wow! I just did it! The 5 by 5 Rubik's cube. Welcome. It is 5 by 5 Rubik's cube. It is scrambled. Now let's try to solve it. Okay, now see, there are 2 white pieces here and 1 white pieces here. And 1 white pieces here. Now, I just solved it. There are 2 layers here. Now let's try to solve it. Start. Yes, it is. Yes, okay. First, good. And now, okay, I just do it. Okay, now the top layer and the right layer and the forward layer and the bottom layer and the top layer again. Now the tooth layer. Now the back layer. Now the right layer. Now the left layer. Now the second one. Now the forward. Now the bottom. Now the forward. And now the bottom. Now the right one. Now the top one. Now the back one. Now the bottom one. Now the right one. Now the bottom layer. Now the left layer. Now the forward layer. Now the bottom layer. Now forward layer. Now top layer. Now the forward layer. Now the bottom layer. Now the left layer. Now the forward layer. Now the left layer. Wow. And now the back layer. Yes. And the 2 steps. And turn. Wow! I just did it! The 5 by 5 Rubik's cube. Bye!
Please subscribe. Rayan, Master, click the bell icon, like and share the videos and comments.